everyone. Good evening. Hope all are doing good, right? Good evening, Sandeep. Okay, all right. What we have discussed in the last session, I think we have discussed insecure design flaws, right? Hmm? Yes, we have discussed insecure design flaws, and I have given some work too, and you have to find some real-time web applications on these insecure design flaws. Yes, I'm right. Okay. All right. So today we will see some more topics like how to bypass the two-factor authentication, that is a OTP bypass. And if it is possible, we will see some business logical vulnerabilities, that is a price tampering. So we can change the price whatever we want. Suppose there is a price of 1,000 rupees a particular product. We can change the price of the product from 1,000 to 1 rupee, or if you want, you can change it to the 2 rupees, 3 rupees, whatever it is. So whatever you want, you can simply change that price. Okay. So okay, so today we are going to test on this one, a real world web application. So that web application is familiar with all the persons, that is a just bake. So that web application is vulnerable for everything. So it's a popular bakery, that is a just bake. So they have a lot of branches overall in India, but their web application is fully vulnerable for everything, including the OTP bypass and brute force attacks and price tampering. Everything it is vulnerable. All right. So does anyone have any doubts in the previous class in Secure Design Plus? Yes, anyone have any doubts or anything else? Nothing. Okay, fine. Okay, so first we will go to this just bake. Order birthday cakes online. So this is a famous one. Okay, don't discuss this one to with anyone. Okay, if they know about all these things, they will file case against us. Okay, so don't discuss anywhere, don't record anything, and don't post all these things to the social media or YouTube anywhere else. Okay, first we will see the one more thing, that in last class we have discussed some unverified password change we have discussed. Hope you remember that one. So what is the impact of unverified password change? What will happen? Unverified password change means, so if you go to your account settings, we don't have any old password requirement for changing the password. So if you want to change your password, you can simply provide the new password and confirm password. It doesn't ask you for any old password. If it is there like this, what will happen? So anyone can perform a brute force attack on your account. They can get an access into your account, and they can simply change your password. They can take overall access of your account. Yes, I'm right. Yeah. Okay. So here we have a login is the here login is the. So here I am giving a number of random number. Okay, I'm here providing the 10 nines. So first we will check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'll click on proceed. So here we have a two things are there. If you want to provide your password, you can give it. Otherwise, you can use the OTP login. So many of the web applications having this vulnerability called OTP login. If you forget your password, you can simply click on this one. You will receive a one OTP. You can use that OTP as your password. But here the problem is the OTP we can simply bypass it. So here I am doing the OTP login. Okay. So here I have to enter the password. So I know what is the length of the OTP here. So here the OTP length is 4 characters. Okay, here the OTP length is 4 characters. So what I'm doing here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 characters I'm giving. So before clicking login, I'm here, I'm turning on the intercept. So in the burp suite, simply go to the proxy tab. I repeat, in the burp suite, go to the proxy tab and click on the intercept is off button, is that right? Click on that one, and this one will be highlighted in blue color, and they are showing us intercept is turned on. Okay, so you have to use the Firefox browser for this attack because this burp suite is configured with the Firefox browser only. So here what we are doing here, we are capturing that packet and we are performing the attacking. Okay, so here after turning on the intercept, just click on login button. After clicking the log, I think we have to provide, okay, only 4 characters, not 5. So just go to the verb suite, and here we have received different packets out there. Okay, so we have to forward one by one packet, and the target packet you have to send to the intruder tab. So here this two is a normal raw packet. Just send this one, forward it. Click on forward button. So here it's nothing, just forward it. Okay. So here you can see con confirm user pin. So so here you can see that it's a post packet confirm user pin.php, and here you can see that we have provided our pin and this is my number. Okay. So this one you need to send to the intruder tab. Okay, intruder tab. Just right click on this one. I repeat, right click on this one. Click on send to intruder. Click on send to intruder. Just send this one. So here you can see the intruder button is highlighted. So now what you have to do? Just simply turn off the intercept. That's it. Whenever you are turned off here in the browser, you have received a response called invalid OTP. Okay, it means the 1234, it's not a valid password, valid OTP, which we have sent to your mobile address. Getting my point? Yes, is it clear up to here? Does anyone have any doubts? So invalid OTP, fine. So now go back to the verb suite and go to the intruder tab. Okay, so the intruder tab is used for particularly brute force attacks. Okay, particularly for brute force attack or any continuous attacks like performing the DOS attacks or any password reset, I mean password brute forces. Like this only we will use this intruder tab. So for other normal things, just verifying the responses, checking for the responses, we will use the repeater tab. So in the intruder tab, we have on your right side, we have 4 buttons out there. One is add dollar, clear dollar, auto dollar, refresh. So now what you have to do whenever you are sending a packet to this intruder, you have to clear everything. Actually, so it will randomly selecting everything. So no need of all these things, just clear everything. Okay. So after clearing this one, so here we have a confirm pin is okay. This confirm pin you have to select that 1234 you need to select. After selecting the 1234, click on add button. Okay, so now if you observe here, the 1234 has been highlighted and starting and ending tag will be a dollar tag. Got it? Yes. Is it clear? This one, intruder, the settings and all. What about remaining only one guy is responding? Hmm? Social, yes. So after giving the pin, okay, after adding that one, So just go to the payloads. So here the positions. See here two things will be there. One is position, another one is payload. So the position is you are setting one target. Suppose just assume you are a sniper. You want to attack a one person. So first what you will do? First you will find that person in a group of people. There is a bunch of people are there in a market area. So first you have to find that people person. Then what you will do? Next, you have to arrange your weapon, like inserting the bullets or aiming the person like that. So that everything will be considered as a payloads. So in the payloads, you will set the one bomb or a bullet or a sniper, whatever you wish, you can do it. So here what I'm doing. So here the OTP, what is the OTP here? Alphanumeric characters or alphabeticals or numerical values? Which one it is? It is a numerical value. Start with a 0, ends with 9. Yes, am I right? Okay, so here what you have to do is, so here in the simple list, in case of simple list, select the brute forcer. Okay, select the brute force. A payload type is a brute force. Like I'm selecting a bullet. Just assume I'm selecting the bullets. So here we have a alphanumeric is there. So first A to Z is there and 0 to 9 is there. But our OTP is only 0 to 9 characters. That is a numerical value. It's not a alphabets. So what I'm doing, so I'm removing the access part from A to Z. Okay, after removing from A to Z, the payload count will be a 10,000 characters. So how we are getting? So here we are providing the minimum length and maximum length. So some cases you don't know the what is the OTP. I mean, what is the length of the OTP? Sometimes it will be a 5 characters, sometimes it will be a 6, 7, 8, like this it will be there. So at that time, what you have to do? First, you have to create an account and you have to know how many character length is there for the OTP. Otherwise, what you have to do? So the minimum characteristics is 4 and the maximum you have to select it to 10 or 12 like this. So if I mention here the 10 characters, the payload count will be unknown. It means it's a infinity. Even if I select the 6, it will goes around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nearly 1 crore attempts it will perform. So here I'm just selecting the 4 and it will perform the 10,000 attacks. So in the same site, we have another vulnerability is there, that is a no rate limiting. It means, so even if you're performing the brute force attack, this web application doesn't stop it. That is a insufficient logging and monitoring issues. Getting my point? Yes, is it clear? This one? Up to here, this payload step is clear for everyone? Let me know. Okay. Next, giving all these things after this one, just click on attack button here. So here we are getting for everything 200. Okay. It means it's the right one, right? Right password or right one, everything you are getting. But here, if you click on this one, so here the confirm password and phone number. So for my Burbs professional, it is taking a like less time, but your community edition, it will take a more time to find the original password. I mean OTP. So after clicking on one packet, select the zeroth one and click on response. So here you are getting a invalid. Okay, here you are getting a invalid. So what you have to do, we have to go for where you'll get the valid packet. So here I'm selecting the one packet, same invalid. I'll use the arrow buttons in a keyboard. I'll go to second packet, invalid, like this. Okay, I got the fourth packet is a valid, that is a 3000. Good. 3000 is a valid password, OTP, and 5000 is a valid OTP. Like this, you have to go. And 7000 is a valid OTP, 8000, 9000, and this one is not valid, invalid. Okay, 1100 is a valid password. Everything it is a valid password. So you have to check like this. So here you can see the valid or invalid. In 3000 also we got a valid one. Okay, better I'll use the 3000 one. So once you got the password OTP, just stop the attack. So first I'll give the password here. If I enter correctly, then I'll log in. Cool. So we are in the account. So here is the account, my orders, track orders, everything is there. So I told you, right, that is unverified password change. So like this, hackers will attack in your account. And if the website doesn't ask you for the old password, they can simply change the password. So here I'm giving the password is admin at the rate of 123, admin at the rate of 123. Then I'll save this password. So now the user cannot access this particular account without the admin at the rate of 123 password. So here you can see what are my orders, everything, track orders, account information. Got it? Yes. Is it clear? This one. So once you have completed your account, just cancel the attack. Okay. So otherwise it will perform a lot of times at server and the server some might goes down. Got it? Yes. Is it clear? And don't share this one with any one of your friends. Okay. It's actually illegal to show you this one, but it will be a better understanding for you also. That's why I'm showing you. Yeah. Is it clear or anyone have any doubts? Yes. Do you have any doubts? Guys, I'm asking you, is it clear or not? Yeah, sure. Once again. So here we don't have any logout option. We have to perform the cache, cache memory we have to delete. And see, first you have to capture that packet. Okay. So using the intercept is on and off, you have to capture the pin entered packet. So then after you have to send that packet to the intruder tab. Okay. In the intruder tab, in the positions, first you will go to the positions. Automatically it will select these type of packets, but you don't require all these things. First clear the things, then only select the pin number, that is a 1234, then add it. Okay. Then in intruder tab itself we have a pay positions, payloads, resource pool options is there. Go to the payloads. So here in the payload type will be normally it will be a list will be the simple list will be there. You have to select the brute forcer. In the brute forcer, what are the required things? Whether it is a ABCD alphabets or a 1, 2, 3, 4 numerical values you have to select. After selecting that one, give the minimum and maximum length, then start the attack. Clear? Yes, Sandeep, is it clear for you? What are the remaining tabs you're asking? Repeat. Suppose if you want to see here while attacking time, you will get some response. One thing. I'll show you the same thing in the repeater also. I'm sending this one to the repeater. If you want to see the response of a particular packet, okay, if you want to see a response of a particular packet, you have to send this one. And here you can see what is the response you're getting. If you want to see for a response, suppose this repeater will be useful for the command injection, path traversal, remote code executions, or if you want to perform any file upload vulnerabilities like this. Okay. And This decoder will be useful for if you want to encrypt anything like URL encryption, HTML encryption, a plain encryption text. So whatever you want, you can encrypt here. These comparer, it's not useful for you. It will be applicable for the web application penetration testing. And the comparer, what you can do is, so we can compare the two packets length. So you are sending, if you want to notice a slight difference in a packet response, suppose is this one will be helpful for the blind SQL injection. So in the blind SQL injection, you won't get any input like output in a web application page. At that time, you have to use this comparison to compare the what is the length of each and every packet, how many bits has been changed, what are the words has changed. Like this, it will be useful. And these are options loggers and extenders. So here we can use some burp extensions and all. And these are projects like if you want to make a automation testing with this one you can use. Okay, so mainly you have to use this intruder, repeater, a decoder also sometimes you can use, and the comparer, it's a very rare cases. Only two things: intruder, repeater. And in the target, I mean dashboard, you can provide the automation scanning using the burp suite. So here you can provide the new scan, new live task like this. Got it? Yeah. Is it clear that attack for everyone? Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah, guys, I'm asking you if it is clear or not. If it is clear, okay. Otherwise, I'll explain you one more time. Just let me know, is it clear for you or not? Hello? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Why no one is responding?
Guys, please respond to your trainer.
Okay, so if it is clear, just perform the attack and show me. Send me the screenshots. Send me the chat box right now. If anyone facing the issues, just let me know about that one. Make it fast, guys. We have to explain one more that is a price tampering. Yeah, is it completed? Attack. Yes, Sandeep, Ash, Sushil. Sandeep, please share your screen. I'm giving you yeah, please share your screen and do it so that if anyone have any doubts, they can clear that one. Or if you are getting doubts, you can ask. Try to share your screen now. No issues. Sandeep, please share your screen. That will be fine. And maximum, guys, 3 to 4 classes we can complete this training. Cyber security, not ethical hacking. Sandeep, are you sharing your screen or not? Okay. Sandeep, you are using in Kali Linux machine, right? I think I gave you the file for Windows machine too, right?
Yeah, yes, I'm using in Kali Linux.
Okay. You have that Windows mission one also, right?
Wait a
Website.
minute.
In Windows also you have installed, right?
Yeah, I installed, but I usually use in Kali
Ah,
Linux only.
okay, okay, fine, fine. Here you have to select the OTP login. Give some enter random one, 1 2 3 4. Yeah, login. Go back to the burp suite. Forward the packet. This packet you have to send it to the intruder because this one have the confirm pin and all things. Send it to the intruder. Now intercept off. Turn off the intercept. Hmm. First clear everything. Then add the 1 2 3 4. Double tap. Select it. Select from first 1 2 3 4. Add it. Go to the payloads. Select the brute force. Hmm. Delete it. Then just select the minimum length and maximum length also. Then start attacking. Start attack. What it's showing? Okay. So here select the first packet that is 00. Select it. Go to the response. See, it's a invalid one. Select 1000 valid. So you can use the down button. Okay. So which one? 3000 you got the valid one. Go to the next one. 4000, 5000, 6000 like this go. 5000 also valid. 6000. Which one you got a valid? Okay, 7000 you got a valid 8000. Okay. So use any one of this one to bypass the login. I think you got it right.
Yeah, yes, I got it.
Anyone have any doubts? Sushil, yes. Anyone have any doubts? Okay. So here I have changed the password admin at the rate of 123, right? So we will check whether the password is working or not. Password login admin at the rate of 123. It's not working. I think the password I have entered wrong password. Okay, fine. So that OTP bypassing is clear, right, for everyone? Hmm? Does anyone have any doubts? Okay, fine. So now we will see the price tampering. So how to change the price of any product and all things. So first select any one cake here, one product here. The same method will be applicable for anything, but the vulnerability will be there first. So here I'm selecting this one, American almond chocolate cake. Okay, so here it is asking the pin code. So here I'm giving the pin code is can anyone Sandeep tell me your pin code, area pin code? I think this one is available in Hyderabad too. 50036, right? Okay, 36. We'll apply this one. Okay, so the delivery is available here. I'm ordering 8 kgs of cake. It's 8,800. I'll check it. Delivery available. So now what I'm doing here, So click on buy now. Okay. So here, if you have any coupons, you can apply here. Total with the cost of delivery charge, 8,875 rupees totally. Okay. So do not select the collect at the store. Always select a home delivery. So here I'm giving the delivery date is a tomorrow, 10th Tuesday, and time will be at 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. between. So here I'm selecting random names like Ashok. So can anyone please voluntarily share your mobile number so that you will get a OTP? Okay, fine. So here I'm providing the 10 nines email address abc@gmail.com. Okay. And here house number you give some random numbers. That's fine. Okay. So here just remember the price of the product, that is a 8875. Click on here the online pay. So in the 8875, so here you have to select we have a different options are there. Credit cards, debit cards, wallet, net banking, UPI, everything is there. But here you have to select the wallet. So in the wallet, just select the Airtel Payments Bank. Okay, Airtel Payments Bank. So what you have to do before clicking on proceed, capture this packet, which means you have to turn on the intercept. Just turn on the intercept and then proceed it. So here, no need to do anything. What you have to do, you have to change the price. So here in the search bar, in the bottom search bar, enter the price, the actual price, 8875. So if you see here, there is a zero matches in this packet. So if you are getting a zero matches, simply forward the packet, forward it and check it. Zero matches. Send it again, zero matches. Forward, zero. Forward. Oh, there is a one match is there. So here you can see the total amount 8875 is there, right? So I'm simply changing the amount from 8875 to 1. Okay, 1 rupee I'm changing. I'm forwarding this packet, zero matches. Forward it. So until the back end, the background will be changed until you have to forward the packet. Forward, forward, forward. Check the backend packet. So here is changed. Then you can turn off the intercept. So here you can see the total price is from 88752, it is changed to 1 rupee. This is not only the front end, the client side only it's not changed, it is changed from the back end also. Can anyone please provide your number so that you will get the OTP for this transaction? It will be confirmed in the OTP. They will clearly mention what is the price of the product also, because the OTP will be generated from the server side. If you are getting a OTP for this price, it means in the server side also the price has been changed for you. Okay, so who is going to provide your number, guys? Can anyone please voluntarily share your number? Nothing to worry. So no need to enter the OTP here. Don't share that OTP. Okay. Can anyone please provide your number? Anyone? Nobody's willing. Yeah, nobody's willing. Okay, fine. I'll share this one. Hello, Sahil, are you there? Okay, so here I'm providing my number 2335. I'll share the same thing. I'm here clicking on get OTP. So if I enter the OTP, the order will be placed here. But I won't enter it. Yeah, just now I've received the one. Yeah. So I got a 1 rupee transaction OTP for this one. Okay. So like this, you can simply change the any one price in a e-commerce site if the vulnerability is. So these vulnerabilities are comes under the business logical vulnerabilities. The price always should be encrypted. So we can perform the price tampering, a quantity tampering, and the currency tampering. A lot of things are there. We can this one. Getting my point? Yes. Is it clear? This one. So you can simply type your number and get the OTP, but don't enter the OTP. Okay? Don't enter the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, the order will be placed. If they know you are doing like this, they'll file a case against you. Okay? So don't enter the OTP here. Getting my point? I hope it is clear for everyone. So first select a cake here, then enter the details. Use the Airtel Payments Pack to capture this one, then perform the attack. Anyone have any doubts? Yeah, do it now and let me know this. Uh, Sandeep, I didn't get you what you're asking. Sandeep, can you please share your screen? It will be better too. So, oh no, you're asking about intercept is on. So first you have to turn on the intercept, capture the packet, and enter that amount in the search bar. So it will show you whether that content is available or not. If you are getting a one match, try to change that amount to your required amount. It is a 1 rupee or 10 rupees, whatever it may be. Before clicking on proceed, you have to turn on the intercept. Intercept is on. Now click on proceed. Now enter the amount here. What is the final amount with the delivery charge? No, no, no. It won't be there. That's why I told you to remember the money. Okay, do it now. Just forward the packet. I'll tell you. Forward the packet. Don't hurry, worry. Just go slow. Okay. Forward it. Forward it. Forward it. Forward. 1 second. Forward it. Yeah. So change this one. Forward. Forward. Forward and turn off the intercept. Hmm. Go back to the page. So you can enter your number here. Then you will receive a OTP. So, but don't enter that OTP, okay? Just we are just checking that one. So no issues. You can give your number, but don't enter the OTP. Let me know if you are getting the OTP or not. For that only 1 rupee. You are received, right? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, is it clear for everyone? So here the remediation for this one, they have to use the encrypted channels. Okay. Actually, the vulnerability is not there in the JustBic website. The vulnerability is there in the Airtel Money app. But don't share this one with anyone. Okay. It's actually illegal to perform all these attacks on a website. This education purpose, I'm showing all these things. If I show you on the demo websites, it's not interesting for you. That's why I'm showing in a real websites. So your assignment is you have to find these type of vulnerables like price tampering and the OTP bypassing websites, at least 4 web applications by the next class. So you have to show me in the next class all these things, and I will show you the reporting procedure also, how to find and how to report all these vulnerabilities. Like we are following a one report format. I'll show you that format. Okay, got it? Is your task is fine? Clear for everyone? Yeah. All right, guys. That's for today's session. Anyone have any doubts? If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. I didn't get you, Sandeep. This JustBeck is a real-time website only. It's a real web application. It's not a demo or anything. What you asking? Yeah, you can just unmute yourself and you can talk to me. Same methodology only. So whatever, wherever this type of, see, even Paytm also have this price tampering vulnerability. when I was learning WAPT and CEH. I tested Paytm. Paytm also having this vulnerability, but right now I don't know whether it is patched or not. Some other top end applications also having this vulnerability, price tampering and all things. You can simply perform all the wallet things like a PayPal, Paytm, a phone pay, Google Pay, everything is there. Net banking, even net banking you can use. Okay, just try it, and if it is there, that will be fine, right? Yeah, right. Anyone have any other doubts? Okay, fine. All right. Okay, guys, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can wind up this session. Sahil?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so thank you, guys. We will see you in the next.
Thank you so much.